Using Facebook Marketplace effectively. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use Facebook Marketplace effectively to buy and sell with confidence. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Facebook Marketplace is one of the easiest places to find local deals or list your own items for sale. But using it the right way makes a big difference in how fast you can sell something or how safely you can buy. First off, when you're selling, clear photos matter the most. Make sure to take multiple angles of the item with good lighting and show any flaws honestly. Add a short but detailed description. Mention the brand, condition, and why you're selling it. Set a fair price, but also keep room for negotiation. Buyers often expect a little wiggle room, so price it slightly higher than your minimum. When messaging, be polite and clear. Ask if the item is still available, confirm the condition, and always agree on a safe, public place to meet. Also, avoid paying in advance unless you completely trust the seller. Cash or secure payment methods during the exchange are always best. And one more thing, use filters wisely when browsing. Narrow down by location, price, and category to save time and find exactly what you're looking for. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tech tips. See you in the next one.